Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Let's say your garbage disposal, it won't turn. So, I'm going to show you a quick fix how not to call Jake the plumber. You're going to need you're going to need three things. One, you're going to go get this. You got to go to Home Depot or hardware store, and they don't know what you're talking about. You want to get a garbage disposal Allen wrench. This is going to fit up under the bottom of the garbage disposal. Second thing you're going to need is Dawn. Dawn, y'all should be paying me for this. But anyway, you're going to need Dawn, and you're going to run a sink full of sudsy water. I'm going to show you. There you go. Now, after you let that water run for about 3 to 5 minutes, hot water. Then you're gonna go down up under the sink, down here, and there's a garbage disposal right there, and we are about to get busy. Now it may be hard to see, but here is your garbage disposal, and up under the bottom, up under here, it's going to be a little place where this Allen wrench fits, and you just sit it up in there and just keep working it a little bit. Look like it's moving. It's kind of uncomfortable up on it. Oh, okay. Oh, wow, okay, hey. Wow. Okay, we got movement, and that's Derek D. Love Dr. Fix It Man video. Save yourself from calling the plumber. But I tell you what, this can be hard on you if you got a bad back. But this worked. Yes. I want to tell you, when you do that, make sure you turn the switch off to the disposal before you get down there. You won't get electrocuted. Let's go to the switch to see if she works. Wow, am I happy I did not have to call Jake the plumber. So just reach over here, turn the switch off. Please like and subscribe. And I got some more good videos on how to help your love life. Because you married, got a woman, and she calls you, and baby say the disposal's not working. You get some man credits for being able to say, oh, baby, I can fix that. Don't call the plumber.